This is the story about the raindrops. So once upon a time, there were 3 raindrops. The mother decided to go out on a journey with her friends. The baby decided to go plant some more plants. And the daddy wants to stay here and make art on the clouds. So Mother Raindrop looked down from the clouds. She was shocked to see all the water holes with no water, all the trees with no leaves, most of them. Then she told the baby and daddy about it. And then she called all of the raindrops from each cloud. And then they all gathered. And then she said, "You must jump down at my count." And on the ground, on the surface, lots of animals were begging. Birds were begging. "Mommy, when will the rains come?" "I don't know, sweetie, but there will be some water holes soon." And the giraffes begged for the water for the elephants. "Mommy, when will it come?" "Soon, I don't know, but soon." And also the elephants begged for the rain. "Please, can we have some rain? Please, rain." The raindrops are counting to drop to earth. 9, 10. Fall drops. They all fall into earth to make the rain. The birds sing in joy. "Cheep, chirp, chirp, chirp. The rain. Let's go to the water hole." The giraffes were full of joy. "Now we can eat the ones we like. Let's drink." And also the elephants were full of laughter. "Now we have the rain. We could play in the pond. Come on." The raindrops were pleased to hear that the animals were happy for it. They swam into the ocean, and then the sunshine picked them up to the rain clouds. One by one, shooting to the air. "Shh, be quiet. The raindrops are asleep. We must not wake them up. They deserve to sleep because they have all the hard work." The end. And that was the story of the raindrops. Bye-bye.